Starting an online business. Welcome to AXU.com. How can I start an online business? Starting an online business can be a great way to create a flexible work schedule and earn income from anywhere in the world. Here are some general steps to help you get started. Choose your niche. Identify what product or service you want to offer and who your target audience will be. Consider your passions and skills, and how they can be turned into a profitable business. Create a business plan. This will help you define your goals, outline your strategies, and identify potential challenges. A well-crafted business plan can also help you secure funding if you need it. Choose a business name. Select a name that is memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. Make sure the domain name is available so that you can create a website. Set up your website. Your website will be the online face of your business, so it's important to make a great first impression. Use a website builder like Wix or Squarespace, or hire a professional web designer to create a custom site. Develop your brand. Your brand should reflect your business's personality, values, and style. Create a logo, select a color palette, and develop a consistent voice and tone for your content. Establish your social media presence. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with your target audience and promoting your business. Choose the platforms that are most relevant to your niche and start building a following. Develop your product or service. Make sure your product or service is high quality and meets the needs of your target audience. Consider offering a free trial or beta version to get feedback and refine your offering. Launch and promote your business. Once everything is in place, it's time to launch your business and start promoting it. Use a combination of paid and organic marketing strategies to drive traffic to your website and generate sales. Secure payment processing. Choose a payment processor that is secure, reliable, and easy to use. Consider using a platform like PayPal or Stripe, which can integrate with your website and handle transactions seamlessly. Build your email list. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing relationships with your customers and promoting your business. Offer incentives like discounts or free content to encourage visitors to sign up for your email list. Monitor your analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website traffic, monitor customer behavior, and identify areas for improvement. Use this data to refine your marketing strategies and improve your conversion rates. Expand your reach. Once you have established your business, consider expanding your offerings or reaching out to new audiences. You can also explore partnerships with other businesses or influencers in your niche to reach new customers. Provide exceptional customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and politely, and resolve any issues or complaints quickly and professionally. Make sure your customers feel valued and appreciated, and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. Continuously improve your offering. Monitor industry trends and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and new opportunities. Continuously innovate and refine your products or services to stay ahead of the competition. Stay organized and focused. Running an online business can be overwhelming, so it's important to stay organized and focused. Set goals, prioritize tasks, and create a schedule that allows you to balance your work and personal life. Network and collaborate. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with other entrepreneurs in your niche. Collaborate on projects or cross-promote each other's businesses to expand your reach.
Stay up to date with legal and regulatory requirements. Make sure you understand the legal and regulatory requirements for operating an online business in your location. This includes registering your business, paying taxes, and complying with data privacy and consumer protection laws. Seek out mentorship and guidance. Starting a business can be challenging, so don't be afraid to seek out mentorship and guidance. Join a business accelerator program, work with a business coach, or connect with other entrepreneurs who can provide support and advice. Manage your finances effectively. Keep track of your income and expenses, and create a budget to ensure you're operating within your means. Consider working with a financial advisor or accountant to help you manage your finances effectively. Prioritize cybersecurity. Online businesses are vulnerable to cyber threats, so it's important to prioritize cybersecurity. Use strong passwords, install antivirus software, and back up your data regularly to protect your business from hacking and data breaches. Keep learning and growing. The world of online business is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay curious and keep learning. Read industry publications, take courses, and attend conferences to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Celebrate your successes. Starting and running an online business can be hard work, so make sure you take time to celebrate your successes along the way. Whether it's hitting a revenue milestone, launching a new product, or receiving positive customer feedback, take the time to acknowledge your achievements and feel proud of what you've accomplished. Starting an online business is a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and grow. By staying focused on your goals, providing exceptional customer service, and prioritizing your cybersecurity and finances, you can build a successful and sustainable business that allows you to live the life you want.